Time, traffic, and weather wear out your pavement every day. Don't let pavement planning fall through the cracks. Terracon's pavement management team helps you address today's issues by developing a plan to save you money and extend the life of your pavement and avoid costly delays and shutdowns at your facility. Our safety-minded professionals use digital data collection and artificial intelligence to generate a pavement condition index for your facility. This real-time snapshot shows you the current condition of your pavement. Whether you're looking at potholes, alligator cracking, or other deficiencies, we'll set the path for repair. Our experts use the PCI to create a customized pavement management plan that identifies short and long-term goals and sets a budget to meet these milestones. Pavement is just like any other facility asset. Long-term success requires planning to extend its useful life and increase the value of your investment. Terracon is ready to employ technology to boost your pavement performance. Visit our Pavement Technology Solutions page to learn the condition of your pavement and chart the course for improvement.